Now this tiny mic might just replace your studio setup. Meet the Maono Wave T5, a wireless lav microphone so light and powerful. It sounds like it came straight off the Hollywood soundstage, but fits in your pocket. Now the price for this is super cheap. It's only $89. It fits in your palm, connects instantly, and records pro quality audio with 3 levels of noise cancellation. Is this the ultimate mic for creators on the go? Let's find out. Right now we are recording with our Canon R5C. We're also gonna compare this to the built-in mic on the Canon R5C and compare it to the Maono mic that is attached to me right now. This whole video as well is recorded from that. It's just wired in with my Canon R5C right now. So right off the bat, the Wave T5 is ultra light, just 9 grams, so you won't even notice it there. The matte black finish looks very sleek and modern, and the compact case reminds me of the premium wireless earbuds, only this charges your entire audio kit. Now where this mic really flexes is in sound quality. With an impressive 80 decibels signal to noise ratio, 48 kilohertz and 24-bit format, and max SPL of 120 decibels, you're getting studio grade audio. Vocals comes out crisp, detailed, and full-bodied, even in like a crazy environment. Now thanks to the built-in ENC chip and Maono's own noise algorithm, this thing isolates your voice like a champ. With 14 levels of adjustable noise cancellation via Maono Link app. Here you can change the gain of the microphone. You can add in the noise reduction as well. You can have it slight, moderate, strong, or custom it like so. Let's put it on moderate here. And then sound collaboration right there. You can have warm, brightness, or huskiness. Phone speaker output as well. Mono or stereo. There it is. Full control of your Maono Wave T5. It's like having a sound engineer in your pocket. Great for shooting cafes, on streets, or during live events. Now, do you want your voice to sound podcast ready without any editing? The T5 has a built-in voice filters. Choose from warm, bright, or cinematic tones to match your content style. No post-production needed. Now it actually pairs instantly. Just plug in the receiver, clip the mic, and you're good to go. Now one button controls it all. Mute, noise cancelling, and even your phone camera. Long press to start and stop recording or take a photo. No app fumbling and syncing required. Now let's talk range. Maono claims up to 1,000 feet transmission with frequency hopping tech. So this is a test with on the outside. We're just gonna keep walking here and see how far we can go. Check, check, check. So what do you guys think? Not speaking like too crazy too. Speaking normally. What do you guys think of the sound quality outdoors? Again, I don't have the wind muffler attached. Just mainly raw dogging it right now. There you go. Not bad, right? And even at 800 feet behind trees and cars, it stayed rock solid. Now each transmitter lasts 9 hours and the charging case extended to 30. Plus you can charge your phone while recording. Essential for long interviews, vlogs, and live streaming. Now if you're a vlogger, podcasters, mobile journalists, this is a game changer. Whether you're filming an IG reel, doing a YouTube short, or running a live stream, the T5 simplifies everything while sounding pro. Now just for $89, the Maono Wave T5 punches way above its weight class. You get pro audio, smart noise cancelling, customizable filters, and killer battery life in a tiny, travel-friendly kit. Now if you're tired of bad audio ruining your great content, this might just be your new secret weapon. Now, thanks for watching everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more creator gear reviews just like this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.